under Hitler. Appealed to the German national pride, hurt by the Treaty of Versailles, and attracted the Germans, especially the youth. And one thing also, just like the fascist party used to wear black shirts, similarly they also have a kind of dress code, and the Nazi party used to wear brown shirts. The members wore brown shirts. Now let us discuss with the causes. Now let us discuss with the causes of the formation of Nazi party in Germany. So after the abdication of Kaiser William. Who was Kaiser William? Kaiser William was the president of Germany. It is a dictator. It is a dictator in Germany. Before the World War, he dreamed that he would going to make Germany a superpower, a leader of all the countries. Kaiser William II, and their defeat in the First World War a democratic republic was set up in Germany, which could not face up to the many problems which surrounded the country. So I've already explained you what was the reason of the formation of Nazi party in Germany. The, the first cause is when Kaiser William died after the First World War. A democratic republic government was set up in Germany known as Weimar Republic, and that democratic government was unable to deal with the problems that comes around the country after the First World War, and that problems created a many disastrous outcomes like unemployment, etc. Now the second cause, the people of Germany were also upset with the Weimar Republic as it has signed the humiliating Treaty of Versailles, and they wanted to regain their lost prestige. Third cause, after the First World War, many soldiers were unemployed. People were also upset with the Weimar Republic because the Weimar Republic was a weak form of government, and it had signed the humiliating Treaty of Versailles, under which what they have to do, that they have to give the Saar coal mines for 15 years to France. They have to give back the captured Alsace and Lorraine. They have to pay $33 billion as compensation of the war. These were some treaties, these were some conditions that has been put over towards the Germans during the Treaty of Versailles, and that was stamped by, approved by the Weimar Republic. That's why the people of Germany didn't want to continue with the such weak government like Weimar Republic, as they considered themselves the superior of all the breeds, the brave of all the breeds. So why they going to give such conditions like a weak country? Many soldiers were third. After the First World War, many soldiers were unemployed, and this republic country, this republic government failed to solve this economic problem. Which kind of economic problem? That the price of goods rising day by day, pupils were unemployed, and many more conditions which put down the country towards economic crisis. 4. I have already told you there was a fear of communism in Italy also. With the influence of the Russian government, as I've already told you, in Russia, communist type of government rule over there, in which all the business, jobs, workers are under the control of government in communism. So that fear of communism are also showed in the citizens of Germany. So the business class peoples, the capitalist peoples didn't want that communist government going to make his place in Germany also. That's why the imperialist favored Hitler to form the Nazi party over there. And with that fear of communism, Adolf Hitler benefited and made his government the Nazi party over there. Inspired by the Russian Revolution, the German communist tried to bring about a revolution in Germany. Now the fifth is to deal with all these problems. Germans turned to the disciplined Nazis. That's why Nazi party formed, because the Germans too want to. They were upset with so much of problems that Now they want a very disciplined government, very strong government, which they saw in the face of Adolf Hitler. So these all are some causes under the Nazis by which the Nazi party formed in Germany. This Nazi party not only attracted a particular type of people, but all section of society favored Nazi party in the beginning. After the formation of Nazi party, the Nazi party the Nazi party had its own army, had its own army, which was divided into two parts. The Nazi party was divided into two parts. One used to wear brown uniform, and its main function to save the party members and to break up the meeting of the opposition parties, because just like in Italy, no other party was allowed to form other party except fascist party. Only one party, one leader. Similarly,